Hey, what's going on, y'all? So yes, this is the Bat Bike from a few years ago. I still have it. And I have the original one too from years ago. Remember that one, right? Oh shit. I know y'all like, damn, that's nostalgic to the motherfucker. But anyways, and look at that detail right there, that hand stitching I did. That's my sponsor right there, Edward Dada. Does clothing and stuff like that. He sponsored me, so I put his name on the bike. But anyways, I took the motor system off, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the one and only. Well, I'm going to call this one the Cat Bike, since I changed my name from Batman to Catman. But this is where it is. Y'all stay tuned.